My name is Sunday Bada. Are you a beginner in using Excel for simple analysis, or you have not used Excel before? Come closer, let me teach you how to use Excel for data analysis. This is part 2 of my video. If you have not watched part 1 for the Excel beginners, kindly check below this video. You will see a link that will take you to part 1 of this video. Now let's begin. We are going to treat 6 topics in this video. The first topic is how to insert rows and column. Now, how do we insert row? This is what we call rows. Rows look like horizontal like this. Anything that is horizontal, it is called row, like row 4, row 3, row 2. Now, this is what we call column. Under the column A, column B, column C. That one look vertical like a pole, column D, column E. Now, if I forgot to put products, maybe after number 3, maybe after the number 3 we sold another product that I forgot, you will first highlight everything like this, the way I selected it, these rows, then press Ctrl Shift plus. It will create a blank one for you. You can now type the name of the product that you forget. Maybe I can just say we sold Samsung phone. We sold 6 at the rate of how much that we are selling it, 1 million. Now I can multiply it. You can use this one, just copy this one and paste it here. The same formula that is here, it will calculate it automatically. It means that 1 million times 6, it will give you 6 million naira. That is for the what? For the row. How to insert column now? Maybe I forgot to calculate the discount. Maybe you want to give discount to this product. You can just create this one, highlight this one, and press Ctrl Shift plus. It will shift it to the what? To the right side and create a blank one for you. Then you can call this one discount and insert everything that you want to put there. And if you want to close it, you can highlight everything like this. After you highlight it, press Ctrl minus. It will close the gap for you. And this one, the one I created here, if I want to close it, just say press Ctrl minus. It will remove that one automatically. Or if you have something here, let me just put this one here. Let me copy this one and put it here. Now, the way I put it here, and I want to put this one down so that I can insert after the 4. You can just highlight only this one, reach here. After you highlight it, press Ctrl Shift plus. It will ask you question. The question it will ask you, it will say, now say shift cell down, click OK. When you click OK, you will see that it has moving this one down without affecting this one. Therefore, you can input whatever you want to input. Before you can delete, you can just press Shift space. It will highlight everything. Then press Ctrl minus to delete the entire row. That's it. Now, let's go to the second topic that we have for today. How to free panel. Like this, if I move down here, you will discover that I did not see the serial number and the product name. They have disappeared. See, the way I'm moving to the right side, I didn't know whether this 2.2 million naira, what is the name of the product that we sold that we earned this 2.2? I don't know, unless I bring it back again. And if I want to go down like this, you will see that I will not know the header. What is the name of this header here? I don't know. This one, I don't know, unless I bring it down to see that, okay, it's unit price and it's total sales. If I want to freeze it, therefore, so that I will see these first 2 columns, this one, column A and column B. I will start wherever you want to start. That's where you put your what? Your console. You will put it after the first row, this first row, because you want to freeze that one as well. And you want to. Now, how do we freeze? You first put your column, your console, where you want it to start, because I want to see column A and column B, and I want to see the first row. I will put my console under where? Under this 7. After I put it, come to the, let's go to the ribbon. Now you will see it under the view. Click on the view. Under the view, you will see you will see freeze panel. Freeze panel. When you click it, the first one, that's what you will keep rows and the column visible. You click it. When you click it, let me zoom in back. When I go down, you will see that the first row is maintained. I can see under unit price, the total sales, the what? The row still maintain. And the same thing applies to this first, the first two column, column A and column B. If I go to the right, you will see that e maintain what? The column A and column B. I can know that this 2.2 million naira product that we sold is for the iPhone 12. Is for the iPhone 12. And if you want the shortcut, instead of traveling from the view to the freeze panel, the shortcut for the freeze panel is what? Alt WFF. Alt WFF. If you want to remove it, it's the same thing you press. Now let's press Alt WFF. It will remove the panel. When I go down, you see that I didn't see the header again. And if I go to the right side, I did not see the what? The serial number and the product name. If you want to start again, let me start freezing from the second, from this number 5, because I want it to freeze the first row and the second row. I want to see them. Now we start from this side. Alt WFF. Now you discover that it has freeze the first two row for me, which is this first row and second row. Now I can see that I can view it, the first two row. Now I can view the first column and the second row as well. This 5 million, I know that it is Samsung Galaxy. Now the next thing I want us to look at is how to wrap text. How to wrap text. For example, this product name maybe is too long. For example, I can change the names to say product name SUMIF Enterprise. You will see that I did not see all this text clearly. Let me come to home. I did not see all this text clearly. There is something we call text wrap. This is the text wrap. The text wrap will do what? It will wrap the text so that you will see everything. Now let's come to the ribbon. You will see this. This is the text. This is wrap text. When you click wrap text, it will wrap it for you. You see, product name. You can now see it clearly, not that it is hiding like before. If I click it again, you see that it is hiding. If I click the wrap text, it will show clearly that you can see it. Now the next topic we are going to treat now is sorting. How do you sort? Let me, if I want to sort this, alight. How do you alight? Press Ctrl Shift arrow to the right, arrow to the down. Now press Alt ASX. It will give you this. Now let me zoom out so that we can see it clearly. Sort by what? You want to sort by the product so that all the products will follow alphabetically, A to Z. Now you click OK. Zoom in. You see that it arranged the product based on the product name, starting from E, followed by H, followed by L, followed by N, P, followed by R, followed by S, and followed by C. This is arrangement, sorting. You sort based on the product name. Now, if I want to sort for the two criteria, now let me press Ctrl Z. Now again, Ctrl Shift, arrow to the right, arrow to the down, Alt ASX. Now I want to sort based on what? If it is date, it will say from old to the newest. Now I want to sort based on the products. After the products, I want you to sort again. You had another line. Let me zoom out so that we can see it. You had what? Another line. This is for sorting. Now the second criteria I want to use, you say add level. When you add the level, then sort by the what? By the total sales again, from the highest to the lowest. I don't want from lowest to the largest. I want from largest to the lowest, making these two criteria two line. by sorting by the product name first, then sort by the largest to the smallest by the amount. Click OK. Now you will see that it has sorted them based on the products and the total sales from highest to the. If you look at this iPhone 12, iPhone 12, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 appear 3 times and it arrange them from largest to what? It arranged them from largest to the smallest, from 6.7, 3.5, and 1.3. Followed by iPhone 14, it appear 3 times that we sold it, and it arranged them from the largest to the smallest. Then followed by the L is only one product for that one. And which product that we sold more than once? Phone cover, phone cover, phone cover. From the highest, which is 39, 32, and 26. That is it, how to sort based on the product or the criteria you want to use. You can use 3 criteria or 2 criteria for sorting. Now, the next topic that we are going to treat is SUMIF and COUNTIF. Now, if I want to do SUMIF based on the dates, I can use it. Or if I want to count based on the date, or if I want to say SUMIF based on the product, if it is total, if it is iPhone 14 that we sold, all the iPhone 14 we sold, sum everything together and give me. For example, we have how many iPhone 12 here? We have iPhone 12 3. It appear 3. It means that we sold them 3 times. Yeah, on the 16th, on the 3, and on the 1st of August. When you add these three together, it will give us total of 11,250,000. Now, if you want to calculate it based on SUMIF, now the first thing I want us to do, like I was saying, under the date, we need to do what? Data validation. How do you do data validation? It means that you will see the drop down, how all the dates that we have in this range of data, all the dates here. Now, put your console here. When you put your console under the data here, ribbon, come here, you will see data validation. Click on data validation. Come here. Let me zoom out so that we can see it. Come here and click on the list. Yes, source. You can just press is equal to. Then let me zoom it back and do what? Come under the date. Just align the date. How do you align the date? Control Shift arrow down. It will select all the dates. Then click OK. When you click OK, you will see that all the dates are here. We have on the 8th of August, we sold on the 6th of August, 3rd of August, 1st of August, and the what? And the 4th of August. Now, after the data validation, we can just select any date that, okay, if I want to know the total product of what we sold on the 6th, now it's not showing the date. We can convert this to date because the date comes home. Under the home, comes here and click on the what? On the short date. It will show 6th of August, whatever that we sold. We want to know the total of product we sold on this particular day. Press is equal to SUMIF. After you type SUMIF, press tab to select it. The first question the SUMIF will ask you is that, what is your range? This is our criteria. The date is our criteria. Therefore, the range will be what? Will be the map. Let's go. It will be the date. That will be the range. Now, let's go to the date. How do you select it? Press Control. The first date, you put your cursor there. Press Control Shift arrow down. We have selected it. Press comma to ask you the next question. The next question is asking me for the criteria. What is my criteria? My criteria is the date. This date, particular date. Press comma again. It will ask you for the sum range, the total of what I want it to add up. You will start from the beginning. Control Shift arrow down to select all the products. Now, don't select the total. Just hold down only the shift and press just select only the shifts, leave the control key and press the arrow up to do what? To select, to unselect the total amount, which is 65.7 million. That one is not part of it. Close the bracket and press enter. Now, we saw total of 10.7 million on this particular day, on the 6th of August. We sold total product of 10,745,000. How do we confirm this? You can confirm this. Let's come to the data. This is data. How do you put filter? You press Ctrl Shift F, you have put filter. Now come to the date. Click here and come to that particular day, which is first unclick everything and only pick on the 6th of August. Click OK. Now this is the you see how many products? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We sold 5 products for this particular day. Now let's highlight everything to confirm whether yes, everything is, you see now is 10 million point 7. Let me zoom out so that we can see it. See now 10,745,000 naira. That is the total product we sold for that particular day. Now if I want to unfilter this one, you can just press Alt AC. It will unfilter it. Now let's go back. You see now if I want to do the same thing to count the total product that we sold for that day, I can just press equal to count if, press tab. The first question it will ask you is the range. What is the range? Because date is our criteria, isn't it? Now let's go to the what? To the date, to go and pick the date. Press comma. The next question, what is our criteria? Is the date, isn't it? Close the bracket and press enter. It means that the total product that we sold for that day is what? Is 5. That's why it put what? It put all the total 5. Like I said earlier on that day, the total product that we sold is what? How many? 6. Let me pick 6. Yes, we sold total product of what? 5. 5. Now let me unfilter this one. Alt A C. The next thing I want us to do is based on the product. Now, the first thing we need to do, data validation for what? For products. Put your console here, under here. Now, go to the data. Under the data, you will see under the tools, click here. You will see data validation, click it. Let me zoom out so that we can see it clearly. Now, click list. Come to the source. Press is equal to, let me zoom in. Then, let's go to the products to select the products and click OK. You see that the product will be there now. Under it, all the total product we are selling, everything will show here. AirPod, iPhone 12, iPhone 14, laptop, Nokia phone. Now, let me just pick only iPhone 14. iPhone 14. If I want to sum if, press is equal to sum if. Press tab. The first question it will ask you is the range. The range here is the what? Is the product, because it's our criteria that we want to use, not date. This one is product name that we want to use. Now, our range is what? Let's go to the product. Under this product, start from the beginning. Hold down your Control Shift, arrow down. You have selected it. Press comma. The next question it will ask you is the range, and criteria is asking me for the criteria. What is my criteria? I'm looking for the iPhone. iPhone. Press comma. It will now ask you the last question, sum range. Now, the last one, it will ask you for the sum range. The sum range is the total of what we want to add up. All the iPhone that we sold, add it up for me. That is the word sum if. Hold down your Control Shift, arrow down to select all the total amount. Now, I don't want to add up this 65 million because that is the total. Just remove your hand from the control. Only hold down your shift and press the arrow up to unselect the 65 million. This 65 million, so that it will stop from 8.1 million naira. Then that's the last question. Then close your bracket and press enter. Let's go and confirm it. This is it. The total product that we sold for the iPhone 14 is 17,050,000. Now let's confirm it whether it's true. 17,050,000. Let's come under the products, iPhone 14. Click here and unselect everything. When you unselect everything, only select the iPhone 14 and click OK. When you click OK, it will only give you for only iPhone 14. We sold on the 8th, on the 4th, and the 1st of August. When I highlight everything, it will give me the total of what we sold, which is here 17,050,000, which is the same thing the sum if function gives me 17,050,000 naira. Now the next topic is how to detect duplicate. If there is any duplicate here in Excel, there is a way we can do what? Fish out any duplicate payment here. For example, you want to make payments to your vendor. These are the list of your vendor. But how do you know whether there is duplicate there or not? Now, first thing, let me put comma into this amount so that we know that this is an amount. How do we put comma? Press Ctrl Shift arrow down, then press Ctrl Shift 1. It will put comma automatically. This is our account number. This is the bank name. How do we detect? Now, just highlight this name. When you highlight everything, how do you highlight? Ctrl Shift arrow down. I've highlighted it. Now, the next thing, let's go to the home. When you come to the home, you will see conditional formatting, and come here, highlight, come down, you will see duplicate value. Click it. When you click it, it will ask you now click OK. It will light it red fill. Anyone that is C that is duplicate, click OK. See now, it's already see it. You see now, Bola Restaurants, it appear here and it appear here. It means that this is duplicate. You want to go and pay 1.5 million extra. Eze Motor 3,450,000, and it appear here again 2 times. It means that you are going to do what? Pay twice. Now let's sort this now so that all the names, all the vendor that appear twice, let's put them at the top. How do we put them at the top? We sort it. First, start your console here, put your console here, press Ctrl Shift arrow to the right, arrow to the down. Now press Alt ASX. It will bring out this sorting. Let me zoom it out. The first thing we need to do, by what? By vendor name, sort by vendor name. The next thing, set by color, not by value. And the next thing, by the color, which is color orange. I want it to be at the top, not at the bottom. The next thing, add another level. That okay, sort based on the vendor name. By this one will not be color, this one will be set value based from A to Z, so that it will arrange the vendor by vendor. Click OK. Now let me zoom in. You see that Bola Restaurants, they are the same thing, account number the same amount. You want to double pay. What you are going to do is that just highlight everything like this. How do we delete it? We press Ctrl minus to remove it. The second one, Ctrl minus. Therefore, we have unique vendor now. Otherwise, you will double pay this vendor and your boss will not take it easy with you. Now, the next topic that we want to treat is how to repeat what at the top and what at the left, at the right side, at the right side. For example, if I want to pay the next person, if it's the same name, I can just press Ctrl D. It will show what? It will show the same name. If I want to put the same amount here, I will press Ctrl D. It will give me the same thing, Ctrl D. If I want to put the same thing, you can align the two together. Just press Ctrl D. It will give you the same thing at the top and put it at the bottom. And the same thing, if you want to, the same thing, maybe this Access Bank, you want it to be at the right side. You want to copy it. Instead of copy, Ctrl C and copy. No, you can just press Ctrl R. It will put it there. If you want these two, these three, you can press Ctrl R. It will put the same thing at the right side. That is it. This is the end of the part 2 of my video. Kindly watch out for the part 3. Thank you for listening. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Bye.